Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to verify your TapTap Send account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TapTap Send account on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, if verification is needed, you will see a message or alert on the screen. Tap on Verify Account or Complete Verification. TapTap Send will explain what they need from you. This is normal and helps protect your money. Carefully enter your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure the information matches your official ID. Next, take a clear photo of your government issued ID like passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Use your iPhone camera and make sure the photo is clear and not blurry. Sometimes TapTap Send will ask you to take a selfie. Hold your iPhone steady and follow the instruction on the screen. This helps confirm it's real you. After submitting everything, TapTap Send will review your information. This can take a few minutes to a few hours. You will get a notification once your account is verified. And that's it. Once verified, you can send money faster with higher limits. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.